Okay, gang, let's do another one, dividing complex numbers. Now, this one, you have to make sure you understand what the conjugate is, otherwise it gets confusing. Make sure that when you do the conjugate, you only opposite the middle term. Don't opposite all the terms. That may be tempting since this one's negative, but don't do it, okay? Because the conjugate is only opposite of the middle. So the conjugate for this guy is -6 plus 4i. Okay, and I'll do what I just did in the previous example. I'll write out all the steps for you. Okay, I'm going to start with the denominator, so I'm going to go ahead and FOIL. So -6 times -6 is positive 36. -6 times 4i is negative 24i. Negative 4i times -6 is positive 24i. And negative 4i times positive 4i is negative 16i squared. And let's just hang out with the denominator. Let's keep going with it. These are equal but opposite, so these like terms cancel. And then let's rewrite this. So -16 times -1. Remember, I squared equals to -1. So this is going to end up being a positive 16. So you're going to add 16 plus the 36. That's going to be 52. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and FOIL out the numerator next. So 5 times -6 is -30. 5 times 4i is 20i. 3i times -6 is -18i. 3i times 4i is plus 12i squared. Okay, so let's then work on this part. Let's combine these like terms. So 20i minus 18i is 2i. You can't leave I squared in the numerator or denominator. You always simplify out an I squared. So this is 12i squared, so again, I squared is -1, so this is going to end up being -12. I'm just going to add another step here, because I don't have a lot of room on that. Okay, so that guy became -12. Now add these two together. So that's -42. My brain wanted it to be like the denominator. It's not. -42 plus 2i all over 52. Okay, gang, so as I said earlier, you want to break it into its real and complex part. So we're going to go ahead and break it. So the 52 goes under both. Okay, and not only that, do you see what else we have to do here? Hopefully you do, right? You want to reduce the fraction, right? So if I divide each numerator and denominator by 2, this will be 21. This will be 26. So you're reducing this. Over here, if I reduce this, this is 1 over 26i. So again, you want to write it as its real and imaginary part, the complex number. All right, gang, I hope that helped. I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.